Interested in watching a big makeup haul? Only one lip care product. If yes, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. It has been a long time I have filmed a makeup haul. So I thought of today, why not to share all the things which I got only from Myntra. Yes, there are few other e-commerce websites like Purple, Nykaa. There are lot of other websites from where I have got lot of products to review or maybe to use. So today it's only going to be Myntra. So before like talking or rambling any further, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel, right? And if at all you all are not following me on Instagram, I do upload a lot of reels, short videos and all, which I cannot do over here. I upload over there. So if at all you all are not following, don't wait, don't waste your time, just go and follow me over there as well. Now let's begin with the video. First we'll just finish it off with the lip care product which I got it from Myntra, and then we'll move only towards makeup. So the first product which I got is you can see this is from Laneige. It is their Midnight Minis lip set. Total there are total 5 Laneige lip sleeping mask. Now you all are aware what is lip sleeping mask and all, and in any case I have already made a separate video for this. Whatever products I am showing you, majority of them I have already made separate videos, and few of the products are like which I have not filmed the video and which are only for my use. So I have not filmed any videos on that because they are not new launch or recent launch. But if at all you all are interested in watching some review or something, then let me know that I will make a separate video for that. So this is basically a Laneige lip care sleeping mask. Total 5 pieces are there, total 5 jars or maybe containers are there. All are different variants. If you want to know all the details about this, you can watch that video. I'll just tell you the MRP is I think 1240 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I got it from Myntra. I think that time 5% or something was off. So this is the first product. Now few of the makeup products, as I told you earlier, I have not made any kind of review video or anything on that, but if at all you want, you can let me know. First product is this. This is from Wet n Wild. You all must have seen. It is the tinted hydrator skin like tint kind of thing. This is one product. I have not yet filmed any video on this, so if you want, you can let me know. This is the one product which I got from Myntra. Okay, with the Wet n Wild product, I also got this Wet n Wild Brow Sessive Brow Gel. This is basically their brow gel. I already have one brow gel, I think that is from Essence if I'm not wrong, but I thought why not to keep some backup. So for backup I never wanted to repeat the same brand, so I went for this different product, right? Now with this particular Wet n Wild, there was some like I think I'm not sure what was the deal. I got the single eyeshadow. As you all know, I am a lazy eyeshadow person. That is, I am not into eyeshadows and all much. I just want to like finish it off my eyeshadow as soon as possible. So this is one product for eyeshadow, just one and done eyeshadow you can say. So this is for that. So this is the third product. Also I got this Miss Claire eyelash glue. I got this glue before, and after this particular, after purchasing this glue, Miss Claire or I think I'm not sure, Swiss Beauty, I'm not sure, one of the brand came with a sketch liner glue, but I had purchased this earlier and not that, so maybe in future I will try that also. And I have, to be very frank and honest, never tried eyelashes. Yes, I never use and I have not yet used. So for that only, for practice and all, I got this particular eyelash glue. Okay, now from Makeup Revolution, you can say Revolution Pro, I got 2 palettes. specially to compare, because I do get lot of requests to compare the products, but if at all I don't have the products, then how can I compare the products? For that I got this 4K blusher palette as well as the 4K highlighter palette. This highlighter palette is a variant rose gold. If you all want, I can just show you. I have not yet used, but definitely this is not a new launch product. I'll just show you. It is also taped and everything. You can see this is the blush palette. In this, all the blushes like peachy kind of shades, so and I like peachy shades on my face, that is why I got this blush palette. And the highlighter palette, I'll show you. It is in the variant rose gold. This is the highlighter palette. Okay, it was actually on great deal, and since I do lot of comparisons and all, I got this both the products, and I have not done any videos on this. If at all you want, you can let me know, otherwise it's okay. This is basically to compare. Suppose I want to compare this particular palette with some other palettes or maybe something like that. For that purpose I have got this. And while ordering this, that time like Myntra was having some offer that I will get this lip pigment free. So this is a lip pigment, that is in short a liquid lipstick. I have not yet opened it. I'll just tell you the shade. It is a Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Intuition. I have not yet opened it, but definitely in futures in some video I will try this lipstick. So this is actually a free product. Okay, now whatever product now I will show you, all the review videos are mostly up, and whatever is possible from my end, I'll link each and every video up in the I button, or else you can go to the new launches playlist. You will get all the review videos of all the products except one. In Miss Claire, basically I have two blushes. I think I'm not sure which blush I have reviewed, but I have two blushes. So one of the review is not there and one is there. So if at all you want the other blush review, how it looks on my skin, then let me know that also. I can do that. I have the shade number 7 and shade number 22. If you want, I can open it and I can show you. I actually forgot to open it. Rest all products I've already opened, but this I forgot to open. So sorry. I'll just open it quickly. Yes, already opened. I'll just tell you. This is shade number 22. Okay, and I'll show you shade number 7 as well. This is shade number 7. I'll show you side by side, quick comparison. You all can see this is 22, this is 7. So if at all you want, the one is already reviewed but other one is not. So as I told you, if at all you want, you can let me know. I will do a video on that particular blush. And I think right now what I'm having on my cheeks is shade number, I am not wrong, shade number 7. Yeah, shade number 7. With like from Myntra itself, I got this Marie Claire powder blush also. It is in the variant pink. Already video is up, but still I'll show you, because y'all will say ki video is up, but Meghna has not shown us the product. This is the product. This is also a blush, but this is a duo blush. Okay, and this is quite good product, but it's a new launch, new brand, so lot of people are not talking about this. But when I saw on Myntra, I thought of reviewing it for you. It is very good brand. So if at all you want to try something from that, you can definitely try, because this brand's products are very affordable. I also got this 3 lipsticks from this particular brand itself. I think they have 7 to 8 shades, out of which 3 is already reviewed on my channel. And yes, I'll tell you what is on my lips. It is, one second, I'll just tell you. It is Modern Mauve, I think. No, not Modern Mauve. One second. I forgot the shade which I have on my lips. Yeah, Modern Mauve. Yeah, Madam Maroon. No, I think, I'm not sure. Even I forgot. Modern Mauve. So sorry. I was just trying to remember. Modern Mauve. Right now what I'm having on my lips is Modern Mauve. This is from this particular Marie Claire brand itself. So this is that. Then with this particular order, there was again some offer that if I order a particular certain amount, I'll get a nail polish free. So this is the free nail polish what I got with the order. So this is a free lipstick. Even this shade is pretty good. It is Rosy Glitterati. This is the shade which I got absolutely free with the order. Okay, I forgot to show you one product from Revolution with that thing. I got that lip care serum. I was eyeing on that particular, I think, what you call NYX lip serum or something that I'm not lips something I forgot actually the name. I was actually trying for that particular product, but it was continuously out of stock on Nykaa. So when I saw this on Myntra, I got this product. It is like from Revolution Pro brand itself. No, not Revolution Pro. It is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. It is their Rehab Overnight Lip Serum, Lip Mask. That is what they have specified. So I wanted to try this. So I got this, and after getting this, I got the Laneige one also. So because since I do lot of lip swatches, lipstick videos and all, so even my lips require some tender, some love. So I got this particular product, and I think it was on half off. These products are like gathered by me, you can say, from last 2 months. I am gathering these products from last 2 months, so exactly I don't remember the price, but it was on half off. I am 100% sure it was on half off. And you will think since it is half off, the expiry dates will be close or something. No, the expiry is in 24. Right, the expiry is in 24, so it is not going to expire soon. And the last product, the review is of this foundation, is already up. I have done both the foundations like side by side swatch or something, I'm not sure. One is caramel, one is cinnamon. These are the Miss Claire foundation. It is natural weightless foundation, and this is pretty good foundation. So if you are looking out for some affordable, not exactly very affordable, but if you are looking out for some foundation which is under 250 and which gives you natural finish and all, definitely you can see right now on my face. I have right now caramel shade on my face, so you can see it is giving me a pretty natural and pretty good like finish. So if you, after all, you are similar to my skin, caramel will be, I think, perfect match. Cinnamon is little bit darker, but if you don't mind little darker shade on your face, then even cinnamon can do for you, but caramel is a good shade. So this is the basically foundation what I am having right now on my face. These are the basic details. Lipstick I have already told you, blusher told you, and foundation I have told you. I have, and yes, important thing, these are the bills. So don't think this is a sponsored video. Not a single product is spent by any of the brand. Each and every product is got by my own money. And if at all you feel I'm spending a lot and I'm wasting money, no, I am not doing that. Basically this everything goes to my channel. Only few of the products like this I got for my own use, and these are not new launch, these are old launch, and this is a new launch. So I am planning to make a video on this, so even this is going to be useful for me. And of course even Wet n Wild brow gel is a new launch product. So mostly each and every product is a new launch products besides this. So as I told you, I do need to compare lot of things, then only I can tell you, okay, yes, you can go for this, rather using this you can go for this, or maybe don't buy this, you can buy this. So don't feel I'm spending lot of money. If at all you feel I'm spending so much money, then I'm extremely sorry. Please don't discourage anyone by disliking or something. Don't do that. If at all you feel, you can definitely leave the video, no problem in that. And whatever, suppose if you want any particular, like whatever I have done reviews, besides that, if you want any other videos, you can let me know that also. I will try to do as soon as possible from my end. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe and stay tuned to my channel, because there are lot of other hauls. Since Nykaa also has completed their Pink Friday sale, I have got my hands on lot of products, but all the products are not yet delivered. So I'm just waiting for the delivery. As soon as I'll get the delivery, I will definitely share the haul, and lot of new launches videos are also going to come. So stay tuned for that also. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you will like it. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.